नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today practical session of case taking. In today's session, we are going to discuss aphorism 96. Besides this, patients themselves differ so much in their dispositions that some, especially the so-called hypochondriacs and other persons of great sensitiveness and impatient of suffering, portray their symptoms into vivid colors, and in order to induce the physician to give them relief, describe their ailments in exaggerated expressions. So, in this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann say about some hypochondriac patients. These patients exaggerated their problems and believe they have some disease. Actually, they have not any type of complaint, but the sickness is related to imagination. So, in this aphorism, there is a footnote. A pure fabrication of symptoms and sufferings will never be met with in hypochondriacs, even in the most impatient of them. A comparison of the sufferings they complain of at various times, when the physician gives them nothing at all or something quite unmedical, proves this plainly, but we must deduct something from their exaggeration. At all events, ascribe the strong character of their expressions to their expressions. When talking of their ailments become of itself an important symptom in the list of features of which the portrait of the disease is composed. The case is different with insane persons and rascally feigners of disease. So here is the need of some distinction between hypochondriacs, between insane person, and in between feigning persons. So we have to understand which person belong to hypochondriacs, which person belong to feigning sick. So we have to look and counsel such patient those have imaginary symptoms. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.